Having trouble registering your Eero Pro 6? You're not alone. Many users in 2025 still face registration issues during the initial setup process. These problems often manifest in several ways. The device may not appear in the Eero app during setup. You might see persistent unable to connect to Eero error messages, experience intermittent connection drops, or encounter failed network detection. Understanding the Eero Pro 6 registration process helps identify where problems occur. The process involves 4 critical steps: Bluetooth pairing for initial device discovery, Wi-Fi handshake for temporary connection, cloud authentication for device verification, and finally network configuration to create your mesh network. Let's start with proper hardware setup. First, ensure your Eero Pro 6 is connected to power using the original adapter. The device should show a solid white LED status, indicating it's ready for setup. Understanding LED status indicators is crucial for troubleshooting. Different colors indicate different states during the setup process. Next, prepare your mobile device. Update the Eero app to the latest version, enable Bluetooth and location services, and ensure your device is connected to cellular data, not Wi-Fi. Clear the Eero app's cache and restart it for a clean setup experience. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve most common registration issues. Proper hardware setup, understanding LED indicators, and correct app preparation create the foundation for successful Eero Pro 6 registration. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Eero Pro 6 registration issues, it's time to dive into advanced network configuration and optimization techniques. First, power cycle your modem before attempting the Eero setup. This clears any connection conflicts and ensures a fresh network state. Next, verify internet connectivity by connecting a computer directly to the modem with an Ethernet cable. This confirms your internet service is working properly. In the Eero app, select Setup New Network and grant all requested permissions, including location, Bluetooth, and camera access. These permissions are essential for device discovery and setup. Scan the QR code on the back of your Eero device or manually enter the serial number. During Bluetooth pairing, maintain close proximity within 3 feet of the device for optimal connection. If DHCP fails, try manual IP configuration. For DNS settings, consider using reliable public DNS servers like Google's 88.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.11.1 for improved connectivity and performance. For users with existing routers, consider setting up bridge mode to avoid double NAT issues. This allows your Eero to work as an access point while your existing router handles routing functions. In high interference environments with many competing Wi-Fi networks, temporarily disable other Wi-Fi networks during setup. This reduces signal conflicts and improves registration success rates. Finally, ensure your mobile device meets minimum requirements. Outdated operating systems like iOS versions below 14 or Android versions below 10 can cause registration failures. Also check that background app refresh is enabled for the Eero app. These advanced troubleshooting techniques address the most common Eero Pro 6 registration issues. By following these steps systematically, you should achieve successful network setup and optimal performance.